Ugh, we got sent to jail again? No, I'm kidding. We didn't go. I mean, that was yesterday. Man, today's a Saturday. We're just bored all day. Besides, what the heck is going on? Remember yesterday someone tried to ruin the concert? Yeah, that was totally disgusting. I mean, not disgusting. That was not good. Yeah, we should probably not do that again. We should not probably go to jail. Look, if we don't want to go to jail, then we don't have to be stupid every day. Because that's why we don't have to be anything. Even though we don't have to, like, do ugly stuff. That's not a good idea. I agree. That's no good. We should not do that. Well, hey Yoshi, do you want to start a new concert again? Yeah. Hold on. I had to take a massive dump. Whoa, what the was that? You took a massive dump? Uh-oh. I'm gonna poop. It's gonna be super extreme. What? That guy just took a massive dump. How could you, man? How could you? You could have make me wag your tail. You want me to go like this? I love you, baked beans of womans. That's what you want me to do, huh? I had to take my... Oh, no, guys. I had to poop. Later that stupid night. Hey, that guy was so funny. He had to take a massive dump. That was so funny. That's what he gets. Oh my gosh, that was so hilarious. That was so funny. I gotta watch that again. Hey, isn't that those guys from the concert yesterday? You're right. They have another concert today. We gotta go see it. Yeah, guys, we can't waste our time here. Okay, let's go see it. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna go to my seat, and I'm gonna go sit right next to Talking Tom. Wait for me, Sky. I also gotta go with you, too. Hey, you move over. I gotta sit next to you. No. This is okay. Out of my way, dude. I'm in my way. I'm Mr. Her Horseman, and I'm gonna sit in my seat. Oh, I gotta sit in my seat. Where's my seat? Oh, I can sit in that ugly chair. I can sit wherever I want. Yep. I get to sit everywhere in my seat. Hey, could you not make me fall down? I didn't make you fall down. It was you. You're the one who did fall down. Let me go back up. We're gonna go back in our seat. Yep. Wait for me. I gotta also do it. Go ahead, Tyler. You can go. Alright, Ducky. Alright, Guy. Woohoo! Now I get to sit down, relax, and watch the massive dump. Up. Oh, yeah, that I forgot. We also gotta sit in our seat, too. Yeah, okay, we'll sit in our seat. There we go. Now I can see better. We can sit in our seat. Yep. Alright, so the concerts right now don't take a massive dump. Alright. Yoshi does not make massive dumps. Yeah, that's so hilarious. Even though people likes it, but everyone hates it. No, everyone doesn't hate it. Everyone likes it. Okay, you know it. Won't take a stupid massive dump. That's what it is. Alright, get ready, because we're gonna go to a concert. Okay. We're gonna perform. Yeah, come on. We're gonna sing a much better song. Oh my god, they're gonna go on? Yep, I can't wait. Woohoo! We're gonna get to see him. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. So what is that? Where am I? Do we get to see him? I don't know. Everyone's falling down. I don't know because the seats are cheap. Worse than jail. Come on, guys. Let's go see it. Yeah. Hello, everybody. It's your favorite cat, Mr. Blue Cat, and Mr. Oogie Yoshi. You're not Mr. Oogie Yoshi. You're just Yoshi, the green Yoshi. Oh, sorry, guys. I was just being silly on my stupid nerves. Uh-oh, guys. It looks like I had to take a massive dump. What did I tell you not to make a massive dump? That was so funny. What? It wasn't funny. That was stupid and horrible. Uh-oh, guys. I think I had to go bathroom. See you next time. Hello? Where's you morons? Are you answering me? Okay, I'll get to go bathroom. Wow, that was totally disgusting. Anyway, let's get to the song. Okay. Later, that ugly, dump, boring stuff later. Yay! Alright, he did it! Alright! Woohoo! Wow, that's so funny. And yeah. Yeah, guys, that was so good. We sang a good song. And now for your reward, Yoshi, you sang the song too. Now you could fart and take a massive dump in front of those people. Alright. Hey, everybody, look at me. I'm Mr. Her Poopy Butt. Want to see my diaper? See? I have it on my set. And want to see me take a massive, huge... Okay, guys, better watch out. I'm going to take the biggest, hummus, bogus dump ever. Wow! What the heck was that? You just pooped all over the bed, bro. You just pooped all over the stage. Uh-oh. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go take my diaper nap. Oh. Okay. Here's my stupid adventure. It's called Barney vs. Kick Me. Want it? Here, you want this? Here, this is for you. Want me to fart on you? Oh, now the camera's all jammed up. That guy's so funny. Oh my gosh, that guy was so hilarious. Yeah, we gotta go see that again. He just took a massive dump again. My gosh. How does he do that? I don't know how he does it, but that was so stupid. Yeah, it was pretty stupid. He did that. Oh my god. How did he take a massive dump? I don't know. Maybe he ate too much thing and he get fat. Hey guys, if I would have gone like this, then I would be fat. Just call me Fat Man. Hey everyone, I'm Fat Man, and I want to see how your stupid thing's worth it. Want to see my fat? Here, take it. Hey guys, want to see me be stupid? Yeah. Hey fat guy, what the fuck are you doing? I think like that. That was terrible. That was a weird voice. Yeah, he did that. Hey y'all, you anyway. Enough with the dump. Oh, I ate too much of that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Wait, where's he going? Ew. 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 Ew, that was totally disgusting. You burped? You just burped? Are you kidding me? I burped again. Dude, that's totally disgusting. Hey, why would you do that? Sorry, it looks like Ada. Here, I'll help you, buddy. Get that bone out of you. Oh, now I feel so much better. Uh-oh. I have burp noise, too. Uh-oh, guys. This doesn't look good at all. Uh-oh. Careful, because he might fart on you. Uh-oh, I had to take a massive dump. What the heck? You took a massive dump again? Yep, I did. And guess what happened? Oh, what? It smells like rotten eggs here. Ew. Ugh, that was totally stupid. Well, guys, thank you for watching. And don't do that like Yoshi did it. That was so terrible. Bye.